Hi, I'm Charlie from LNC. Today we're going to install the black swing arms wall sconce. Be sure the electricity is turned off. This is our material. First you want to remove your butterfly screws. And once you have your two pieces of the swing arms together, you want to reapply the butterfly screw. You may have to adjust your wires in order to get the butterfly screws in correctly. You may have to loosen and retighten the butterfly screw several times to get the arms in the correct place. Then you want to remove the metal ring so that you can apply your iron hoop. The iron hoop is what holds the lampshade in place. Okay, you want to take your black cord and slide it up through the hole in the fixture. And once you do that, make your knot to ensure that your cord doesn't disconnect later on. Then take your wire nuts and connect the positive and negative wires, which are the white and black ones, to the cord that plugs into the wall. First, using these two screws, we're going to mount the mounting plate. You want to tighten your screws down a little. And then make sure both of your mounting screws are level. Then you want to tighten the mounting plate the rest of the way down to keep it from moving. Remove the two bolts and put on your light canopy. Remove the butterfly screws and adjust your swing arms accordingly, and then tighten the butterfly screws back up, making sure the teeth lock together. Once that's done, loosen up the 3 screws around the metal ring. Place your lampshade in place and then tighten the 3 screws back up. Now you can install your light bulb and turn your power back on. Once you do that, you can plug it in and flip the switch. Now you have light. And here with this fixture, you also have the option of hardwiring it. And here you want to attach your wires to one another according to the wire sequence. And now you're ready to mount your light back to the wall. You can follow the previous steps to adjust your light. Now that our light is finished, please subscribe.